Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna. What we're going to do today, we're going to do a tutorial on crocheting in the spiral. And what that is, this is a technique working in the round in a continuous manner without joining the separate rounds with a slip stitch. That's what we're going to be demonstrating today. These are gorgeous spiral circles crocheted in a double crochet, all worked in a spiral continuously. And what's so key about these particular circles, is that you don't have any seams located on the back of these. Okay? Working in a continuous manner without joining the separate rounds with a slip stitch. That's what we're going to be demonstrating today. No seams on the back. They're beautiful. Now, previously, what we did was a tutorial called the invisible circle join, where we did something similar that helped with the seam on the back. I'm going to link that above so you can take a look at that. So we're going to get started with the tutorial. What we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now, this chain 3 counts as a double crochet. What we're going to do is make 11 double crochets in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. 11 double crochets. So we're going to do that. That's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. A total of 12 because that chain 3 counts as a double crochet. What we must have is a stitch marker. So what we're going to do for round 2, we're going to make a double crochet in the first chain. And we're going to place our stitch marker in the first stitch of that double crochet. And we're going to put a second double crochet in that same space. And what we're going to do is 2 double crochets in each of these stitches all the way around till we get to the stitch marker. So 2 double crochets in each stitch. This is super easy. I think for me the key is the stitch marker. Placing the stitch marker each time that I'm to go to the next round. That is the key, is the stitch marker. Because you already know how to make the stitches, so it's just knowing where you should be doing the next round. So we're doing 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way around. Excuse me. Two double crochets in each round, and we're almost back to the stitch marker. We're going to, oh, one more. Okay, we're going to take that stitch marker out. And round number 3, we're going to put 1 double crochet in that stitch. 1 double crochet. Put your stitch marker back into that first double crochet that you just made. So 1 double crochet, and then after that 2 double crochets in the next stitch to that, and 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and we're going to do this all the way around until we reach the stitch marker. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, all the way around. This is round 3. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets. This is such a great technique to know, so you don't have to be relying on making or joining rounds and ending up with some unsightly seam. We don't want that. So it's good to know this. It's good to know how to do it. Two double crochets, 2 double crochets here, 1 in the next one, and 2, and yep, that's 2 here. 1 and 2, and 1. So that completes round 3. And we're going to take the stitch marker out of the previous round, and we're going to start round 4. And round 4, what we're going to do is 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Immediately follow it up by putting your stitch marker in that first double crochet of the 4th round that you just made. So what we're going to do is 1 double crochet in that stitch. So we got another double crochet in the next one. So what we're making on the 4th round is double crochets in the next 2 stitches, and then we're going to do 2 double crochets in the next one. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, all the way around till we get back to the stitch marker. 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, oops, and 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and now 2 double crochets. You see how it's getting bigger because we're increasing it, but the stitching is just beautiful. I love it. It's just so neat. Okay, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 2 double crochets in the next one, do this, and 1 double crochet in the next 2, yeah, 2 double crochets, and we're almost done with round 4. 1 double crochet in the next 2, oops, let's see, 2 double crochets here in the next one, oops, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2, 2 double crochets, one in each of the next 2, 2. Now, the stitch markers, I've seen people use hairpins, safety pins. You don't have to run out and buy any, but you can use a safety pin or hairpins as a stitch marker. So we're back here to the 4th round, and this is it. Crocheting in a spiral, folks. This is so neat. Literally neat. No seams in the back. I hope you give this a try, crocheting in a circle, and don't forget to look out for the invisible circle join, a previous tutorial that I did. I'll link that above. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.